today is so hot. Let's go play water.
Yes, today is hot. The hot in Chinese called 热.
Yeah.
In Vietnamese called nóng.
Nóng. Look, there are dolphins.
Yeah, dolphin in Chinese called 海豚.
Hải thuần.
In Vietnamese called cá heo.
Cá heo. I see some whales over there. Look at the wall slide.
The slide in Chinese called 滑梯.
滑梯.
In Vietnamese called cầu trượt.
Cầu trượt.
Good.
The water slide is lots of fun. Tian, why you don't slide down? Because I'm scared. Where are you going, Tian? I'm getting my dolphin. I'm going to get my dolphin some water. My dolphin feels hot too. I'm sitting on the sea lion. Tian, come here. Which one I should pick? Oh! I like this one. I like this one.
Sea lion in Chinese called 海狮.
海狮.
In Vietnamese called sư tử biển.
狮子biển. Look, what are the polar bears doing? Are they fighting or hugging each other?
What do you think? Let's get closer and see.
I'm getting tired. I want to go home now.
You tired? Tired in Chinese called 累了.
累了.
In Vietnamese called mệt mỏi.
Mệt mỏi.
Alright, let's go home then. Vivian, do you still remember what's go home in Chinese?
回家.
Good. How about Vietnamese?
về nhà. We are going home now. Bye guys, see you next time.